Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get the subscribe button on the Snapchat. So if you want to create your public profile on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat. On the left top you will see your profile, click on it. Now go to your setting from the right top. Once you will do it, now simply scroll up and you have to do this setting. First of all, contact me everyone, use my bitmoji, my friends, send me notifications everyone, view my story everyone, see me in quick add, show me in quick add. Select this and once you will do it, you will be able to find the public profile option right here. So in this way you can get the subscribe button on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.